Welcome to Trimble Landfill Compactor Operators video short series. This is the second video in the series and we'll be covering the Earthworks app, dashboard, and settings. If you have not already watched the first video, Trimble Components Overview, please do so now. Trimble Earthworks is an advanced grade control platform for heavy construction equipment. It's designed to help operators work more efficiently and accurately by providing real-time guidance and automation. Trimble Earthworks may be installed on a variety of machine types such as dozers, excavators, motor graders, soil compactors, and more. For our purposes, we will be diving into Trimble Earthworks, installed on a 4-drum landfill compactor, for compaction guidance and mapping. However, the layout and settings will be much the same for a dozer or grader that may also have Trimble Earthworks installed. Let's begin. The TD540 pictured here is a ruggedized Android tablet. The display should power on with the machine. However, you will need to tap on the Earthworks Operator app to start Trimble Earthworks. Trimble Earthworks allows for multiple different user profiles. Oftentimes, the install technician will set up one generic user profile that does not require a password. Choose a user profile and log in to Trimble Earthworks. As of August 2025, the latest version of Trimble Earthworks is version 2.21. I will be using version 2.21 for the remainder of these videos. After logging into Earthworks, you will be brought to the dashboard. Machine setup, system status, job setup, and licenses are the 4 primary tiles on the dashboard. In addition to the tiles, the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner will bring you to a tutorial, as well as built-in help guides. I would recommend running through the tutorial when you have time. System Snapshot will create a record of your system's diagnostic data at the time you take the snapshot. This is useful for troubleshooting potential issues that would be otherwise difficult to explain or replicate. Next to the 3 vertical dots is where you can change user profiles and check active and logged system messages. Below these icons are the What's New and Information icons. What's New will explain any version updates, and the Information icon will provide additional information related to the screen you are currently on. The Information icon will also link to the appropriate help guide when able. Lastly, you can access system settings from the dashboard. System settings allows for quick access to the machine setup, system status, and licenses tiles found on the dashboard, as well as interface and configuration settings. For example, if you prefer a dark background, you may change the interface theme in system settings. Machine setup is where you'll set your positioning source and correction source. For a landfill compactor, you will likely never change your position source from single GNSS. Depending on the size of your landfill and the method used to get corrections, radio or internet, you may change your correction source at times. Most common change would be radio channel. The drum manager will also unlikely change very often, if ever. With 4 drum compactors, the elevation data is measured from the smooth surface of the drum. We will expand more on guidance focus in the next training video, but do not forget the information icon will always provide relevant information based on the page you're currently viewing. You may return to the dashboard at any time by pressing on the Earthworks logo in the top left corner. The system status screen summarizes the current health of the physical and virtual devices that make up the configured system or are detected on the CAN bus. Physical devices are listed under On Machine and virtual devices are listed under System. Tap on a device to view more detailed information. You will not be able to continue to the user interface without green check marks on all components. Licenses extend the capabilities of the system. This screen shows the licenses that are installed and those that are required. Additionally, you may check your system's software maintenance expiration date. Software maintenance dictates what version of Trimble Earthworks you may install. For example, you would need a minimum software maintenance date of April 27, 2025 to be able to install version 2.21. On the job setup screen, you may choose a project, mode, and measure data for the job you need to complete. Projects can be maintained locally or received from an online service. When a design is first loaded, the system validates the design. While the validation icon is showing, the design is unavailable. The positioning source you select in the machine setup screen changes the available modes. Note: to create an infield surface, tap the plus icon beside the guidance surface. A common landfill-specific job setup screen will look as follows. Project will often be the name of the landfill or the specific cell you will be working in. Measured data references points or pass count maps you have recorded in the field. Mode will be design, as airspace models will be coming from the office as designs. The design file will be the specific lift you're focusing on. Depending on how the data was exported, it is possible to have a design file with multiple different guidance surfaces. Example being a design file of a road with one guidance surface representing finish grade and a separate guidance surface representing subgrade. A master alignment is most commonly a road's centerline and will likely not be relevant in landfill-specific workflows. Always check with your operations manager to ensure you're on the correct design for the area you will be working in. This has been Starting Trimble Earthworks for landfill compactors. Please join us for the next video, where we will continue to expand on the Trimble Earthworks application. Trimble, transforming the way the world works.